You and me on the East Coast. 23 in my dreams. Is she real though? Summer night, we're dancing real slow. Cherry bliss on your lips, pull me in close. I think I'm falling in love again. Pull me out of my bed. Sleepless nights I'm chasing silhouettes. Counting sheep, baby, is it morning yet? Lost in your eyes, half the time I get a little bit out of my mind, so I'll keep dreaming. Starry skies in my headspace, intertwined state of mind, feel my heart race. Been so long since I've seen your face. Pull me close, want you most, you're my favorite place. Are we falling in love again? Was it all in my head? Sleepless nights I'm chasing silhouettes. Counting sheep, baby, is it morning yet? Lost in your eyes, half the time I get a little bit out of my mind, so I'll keep dreaming. Sleepless nights I'm chasing silhouettes. Counting sheep, baby, is it morning yet? Lost in your eyes, half the time I get a little bit out of my mind, so I'll keep dreaming.
Merong barko mga langga. So, tingnan natin kung makita natin dun sa baba yung barko. Kasi maraming tourist. Tourist na naman, tourist months. (2:14) pa naman yung dentist ko mga langga. Kaya alauna pa. Kaya mag-walking muna tayo. Hindi ko makita yung barko mga langga. Baka natatabunan siya. Baka nasa unahan yung barko. Ayan pala ang barko mga langga. Thanks.
Sorry. Well picked.
Just show it to them. Oh, they're heavy G. Now let's open it. You should open it. I'll take a video of you. Need a hand with this.
Ta-da! Feel like Hey,
1 minute.
It's for the beast, the body, the fines of full coverage.
Mga langga, dumating yung order ko na cushion covers. So, mag-ano tayo. Mag-change ng cushion covers. Kasi mga langga, we got a new couch. Yan. So, mabili ako ng grayish na cushion covers kasi parang hindi bagay yung cushion covers namin. Anyway, so let's start. I'm so happy mga langga na nakabili na kami ng bagong couch kasi last time di ba nagre-reklamo ako palagi na hindi ko feel yung lumang couch namin kasi nilagyan namin ng seat cover at yung cover lagi siyang ang tawag nun? Kanang bitang maalis. Basta gubot siya lang tawon. So, my husband bought this online. So, akala nga namin hindi siya ma-deliver dito sa Scottish Highlands. Usually, pag nag-order kami, lalo na pag mga couches or anything about furnitures, hindi sila nagde-deliver dito sa Scottish Highlands. Especially pag galing England, hindi sila masyado. So, thank goodness at ito na-deliver nila. Actually, bumili na kami dati mga 2 months ago. Bumili kami, nagbayad na rin yung asawa ko online and then ayun nga binalik, ni-refund yung yung payment kasi nga hindi sila nag-deliver dito. So I chose this. Sa Amazon ko lang to binili mga langga. Ayan. Pwede naman mag-change kung kasi mura lang naman to.
You and me on the East Coast, 23 in my dreams. Is she real though? Summer night, we're dancing real slow. Cherry bliss.
So, ayan mga langga, our lovely couch. Gusto ko siya. Para siyang leather, but it's not really leather. Ewan ko, di namin ma-describe, pero hindi siya leather. Kasi nakalagay din is fabric, but feels fabric/leather. So, ayan. Ilagay ko lang dyan. And this one. And this one. Yung setup namin sa sala is temporary kasi ito, ibigay namin yan sa friend ni G. But for the meantime, dyan lang na yan. And then, we're gonna move that one in here. And then, ilagay namin yan doon sa kabila. And then, yung coffee table, ilipat namin dyan. And then, itong crafting area ni Dion, ilipat namin doon sa likuran para hindi makita yung magulo. Kasi pag nagka-craft si Dion, kuminsan magulo, hindi ka agad ma-put away. So, kung manood ka ng telly, naku, sagabal sa sa pag-watch mo. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano talaga yung setup ko. But for the meantime, yan lang muna yung cushions. Si Dion ayaw ng cushions, but gusto ko ng cushions. Anyway, ito yung recliner to mga langga. And then may sound, din siya dito sa, yan. Recliner. And then, cooler. Dito nakalagay yung mga, mag-charge ka, ganun. Ayan. So, may wireless charger din. Charge si Dion. And then meron ding ano dito. Lagyan ng mga kung ano-ano. And then this one also is recliner. Dito naman yung switch niya. Ayan, so nice. Pero hindi pa final. Hindi ko ma-put away yung box na yan kasi ginawa yan ni Dio na parang vending machine. Kung ano-ano na lang may isipan ng bata. Hala, sige, go.
Out of my mind, so